Hey, kindergarten. I hope everyone had a great weekend. This week, here's our rundown. In health, we're doing lesson 5.4. We're going to be talking about listening skills. So, what do you do when you listen? How do you be a good listener? You need to look at people. You need to make sure you're paying attention. You're not playing with different things. Okay? In language arts, we're going to be doing module 22. It is J week. Our story this week is about jellyfish. Our new words are get, good, have. We are doing IP and IG words, IP and IG words in spelling. We are going to be learning about prefixes and suffixes. So prefixes and suffixes are things that we add to words to kind of change their meaning. We can have the word cycle. If we put the prefix by in front of it, it becomes bicycle. You guys all know what a bicycle is, right? And bi means two. So it means a two-wheeled cycle, bicycle. And then we're also going to be talking about different topics of stories we like to read about, things we like to write about, that sort of thing. In math, we are also in module 22. We are going to be working with the number 15. We're going to be putting numbers in order from 0 to 12. We're going to be talking about arrays. So arrays are kind of different ways that we can organize things. A 10 frame is kind of like an array because it has 2 lines with 5 in. You can have 3 lines of 3, and we're just going to do some different adding with arrays. We're also going to be doing story problems with adding, and we're going to be doing a little more with sorting this week. In science, we're doing shapes in nature. So when you look outside, what do you see? Part of what we're going to be looking for are letters in nature. So maybe you find a stick that looks like the letter Y, or a curved stick that looks like the letter C. What else? We're going to be talking about what the weather's like in winter and fall. And we're also going to be making bird feeders. Now, the bird feeder that they want you to make has you making bread dough from scratch and baking it and going from there. So I'm going to give you some alternatives for a little bit easier bird feeders that you can make and hang outside at your house to help feed the birds while it's cold this winter. And then last but not least, social studies. Social studies, we're also in module 22. We're working with sequential order. So that's basically the order we do things in. If you are going to bake a cake, first you get all the supplies, then you mix everything together, then you put it in the oven, and then you eat it. Things like that. So I hope we have a great week. I hope you're all going to work hard and try your best, and I can't wait to learn with you. It is also Dr. Seuss week, so make sure you're doing our dress-up days and get ready to have a lot of Dr. Seussy fun. Bye-bye.